Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can find your wallet address in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do so is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet app from your home screen. So once you open your wallet, you need to now type in the PIN code to get access to your account. So after the PIN code is typed in, you will get logged in into your account. So all you need to do is simply on the downward facing arrow sign and you will be shown this kind of image on your screen. So this is particularly your wallet address of MyEtherWallet. So you can share it or you can use it to simply be scanned by others. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.